As students, today we will see operation on sets. First is intersection of two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets. The set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and set B. Means if there are two sets and in that two sets the common element are known as the intersection of two sets. Here they given how is it denoted. Means A intersection B means whatever our English letter U that we are writing inverse and reading as A intersection B. Therefore A intersection B is equal to the set of variable x such that x belongs to A as well as x belongs to B. Do you understand that intersection means the common elements from both the sets? Now we will see the properties of intersection of sets. First property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. It means that common elements from A and B are equal to common elements from B and A. Second property is if A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. A is subset of B means all the elements of A are present in the set B. Therefore, when we will take out the common element from A and B, then we will get the set A. Next is if A intersection B is equal to B, then B is subset of A. Now here A intersection B means common element from set A and B is equal to set B, then we can say that B is subset of A. Next is A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B. Means common elements from both the sets are subset of both the sets. Now next is A intersection A complement is equal to phi because A and A complement, their intersection means any element is not common in both the sets, so A intersection A complement is equal to phi. Now next sixth property is A intersection A is equal to A. A is the one set and suppose A intersection A means same set, we are taking the intersection, so it will come that particular set only. So A intersection A is equal to A means in both the sets the common elements are same. A intersection phi is equal to phi. A intersection phi means no element or empty set or null set. So A intersection phi is equal to phi means no element common in both the sets. Now next to that is disjoint sets. Now what is meant by disjoint set? Here they given one example. Let A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 9 and they showed this set by using Venn diagram. And B is equal to 2, 4, 8. These sets are given. Confirm that not a single element is common in set. If you will see both the sets, no one element is common in both the sets A and B. These sets are completely different from each other, so that these sets are known as disjoint sets. So in disjoint set, there are different elements in both the sets. Means there is no common element between the sets. Now, next point, they given one activity. Let the set of English alphabet be the universal set. Means A to Z. Let the letters of the word laugh is one set and the letter of the word cry is another set. We can say that these are two disjoint sets because no element is common in between that sets. We can say that these are two disjoint sets. Okay, do you understand this? What is meant by disjoint sets? No element is common in both the sets, then that sets are disjoint sets of each other. Next point is union of two sets. Let A and B be the two given sets. Then the set of all elements of set A and set B is called the union of two sets. It is written as A, then U sign we are using here B, and we can read it as A union B. So A union B is equal to the variable x such that, or the elements x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Means if we will combine the elements from set A and set B, we will get A union B. Now they given one example here. A is equal to -1, -3, -5 and 0. And B is equal to 0, 3, 5. Therefore, A union B is equal to -3, -5, -1, 0, 3 and 5. Means all the elements from both the sets. Here 0 is present in both the sets A and B. But while writing the set, we are writing the element just once. So we had written here 0 one time. Note that A union B is equal to B union A, because union means we are writing togetherly all the elements from both the sides. So A union B is equal to B union A. Now they given here one example. Observe the Venn diagram and write the following sets using listing method. Now first they said to write the set U. Now you know that U means universal set, means all the elements from that both the sets and as well as the elements in outside the sets. Now here look, A and B, they given these two sets. So A contains the elements 6, 4, 2, 8 and 10. B contains the elements 8, 10, 3, 5, 7, 1. You know that the order of elements are not important, but you should write all the elements of that sets. But set U contains the elements 6, 4, 2, 8, 10, 1, 3, 5, 7 as well as 9, 11 and 12. If you will keep this in order, then you will get the set as U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Now, you know that A union B means the elements from both the sets. So, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Now, A intersection B. Intersection means common element from both the sets. Means here common elements from set A and set B. These are 8 and 10. Now, A complement. A complement means the elements from set U but not from set A. These are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. Same way B complement means elements from set U but not from set B. So B complement means 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12. Now A union B complement. We found A union B. Now A union B complement means the elements from set U but not from A union B. So these elements are 9, 11 and 12. Same way A intersection B complement means the elements from U not from the A intersection B. So these are except 8 and 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11 and 12. Same way they given the example 3, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 2, 3. They given the Venn diagram of this figure. Now here A union B means the elements from both the sets. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Observe the set A and B. A union B have the same elements. Hence, if B is subset of A, then if here you will see B is subset of A means all the elements of B are in set A. So B is subset of A. Then A union B. We will take the union, then you will get the set A. Now we will see the properties of union of sets. A union B is equal to B union A because union means all the elements from both the sets. So A union B and B union A both will contain same elements. If A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to set B. Third is A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B. If we will take the union of particular set and its complement, then you will get the universal set. Next is means A union A complement is equal to U. Next is A union A means union of the same set, it will be that particular set only. That's why A union A is equal to A. A union phi means A union null set or empty set. Then it will come that same set. So A union phi is equal to A. Now next point is number of elements in a set. Means whatever elements they given in the set we have to count and write that elements, then these are known as the number of elements of that particular set. Now let A is equal to, here they given the set A as 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So if you will count these elements, then there are total 5 elements. So n of A means number of elements in set A is equal to 5. Again they given the set B. Here they given the elements of set B 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. So if you will count these elements, there are 6 elements in this set. So n of V is equal to 6. Now number of elements in union and intersection of sets. They given here one example. We will see that example and from that we will find the formula of number of elements. If they will give any 3 values from this, you can find the remaining 4th value. Means here they given n of A plus n of B. Now we had counted this element, then 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. If we will take the union of these two sets, then we will get the elements. These are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 30 and 36. And if we will count these elements, then it will be 9. So number of elements from A intersection B is equal to 9. To find A union B is equal to 9. To find A intersection B means to find the common elements of set and set B. Then there are just only 2 elements common in between these two sets. These are 6 and 12. Therefore, number of elements from A intersection B is equal to 2. In n of A and n of B, elements in A intersection B are counted twice. Means n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to, look, 5 plus 6, 11 minus 2, 9. 9 means these are the elements from A union B. So by this we can get the formula as number of elements from the set A union B is equal to number of elements from set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements from A intersection B. So we can read the formula as n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now they say to verify this by using the Venn diagram. You can find it or you will get the answer of this question. Means n of a, you have to count the elements from set A, then count the elements from set B, then find A union B, A intersection B. You will get n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. You have to remember this formula and solve the examples based on this. Thank you and bye.